would like, Anne Sinclair, I would like to ask you what you think of this principle of adapting your book in an exhibition.
Well, it's very moving for me because it was a tribute to my grandfather. At the beginning, just I wanted to write what he didn't write by himself.
Yes.
So it was a tribute, and it was just a book, and sold all over in Europe and in the States, and translated all over. So it was very, very moving already for me. And then the next step has been this exhibition. First in Liège, in Belgium, and now here in Paris, in the Musée Mayol. And this is more and more moving each time, because my grandfather, who was so fond of museums, who spent all his life and took all his children and grandchildren into the museums, now he is himself in the museum. So I think it would be very, very, he would have been very grateful for that exhibition.
And so you are satisfied about what you have seen here?
Yes, a lot. It's not completely finished, the lights and everything, and they're still hanging a few things, but it's quite complicated to understand, because it's part of the art history and the history of the century, which has been very, very difficult, and with war, which changed the gallery itself. The 21 Rue La Boétie, it was a temple of art and became a temple of horror, because it was a place where the Gestapo put their office.
Yes, that's horrible. Merci.